Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another craft video. So let's get started. I have these empty acrylic color bottles. By using this, I will make very beautiful Diwali candles. Hope you will like it. First I have cleaned these bottles. Now I will paint this. For that here I will use some old glass colors. Now it's time to change these bottles into beautiful candles. Here I use this thick thread to make the light of the candle, and then I will melt some used ready-made wax and fill the bottle. Now it's time to decorate our bottles. I will use a glittery glass liner and decorate this bottle to give it a more festive looks. And now finally my candles are ready. Tell me in the comment section if you like it, and do like and share. And if you are a new viewer to my channel, then subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.